Lost luggage tag. Say goodbye to stress with the ultimate security, Fingerprint Padlock. I was always nervous about rain damaging my stuff. But guess what? This padlock is weather resistant. My gear stayed safe during that unexpected downpour in Thailand. Forget fumbling with keys. Unlock your bag instantaneously with just your fingertip. It's convenient and hassle-free, especially when you're racing to catch a flight. On family trips, no more endless arguments over whose suitcase is whose. The dual fingerprint feature means parents and kids can easily access their own bags. Ready to travel smarter and worry less? Secure your belongings now with Fingerprint Padlock. Click below before they run out.